Suddenly, Adele saw a radiant light in the trees, and the lady was there, looking at her with a loving gaze. She had long, wavy golden hair that fell loosely around her shoulders. She was wearing a crown of 12 stars. Her dress was dazzling white, and it fell in graceful folds to her feet. She wore a yellow sash around her waist. The heavenly light was so bright, but Adele mustered her courage and said,
"In God's name, who are you, and what do you desire of me?"
When the beautiful lady began to speak, she used the language of the Belgian settlers, a form of French called Picard. It was the only language Adele knew.
I am the Queen of Heaven, who prays for the conversion of sinners, and I wish you to do the same.
Adele then knelt down in wonder at every word from the Queen of Heaven, whom she now knew was the Blessed Mother of Jesus. Adele's companions could not see what Adele was seeing.
Did you go to Holy Communion this morning?
Yes, dear lady.
You have done well, but I wish you to do more. Pray for 9 days. Go and make a general confession and offer your Holy Communion for the conversion of sinners. If they do not convert themselves and do penance, my son will be obliged to punish them.
Adele's companions heard Adele speak, but they could not hear or see the lady.
Adele? Adele? Who is it, Adele?
Is it a poor soul in purgatory? From Belgium?
Adele did not turn her eyes from the Blessed Mother, but spoke quietly to her companions.
Kneel. The lady says she is the Queen of Heaven.
Adele's friends wanted so badly to see Our Lady that they began to weep.
Oh, why are we so unhappy not to see her as you do?
The Blessed Virgin turned and looked kindly at them.
Blessed are they that believe without seeing.
Our Lady looked again at Adele.
What are you doing here in idleness while your companions are working in the vineyard of my son?
Adele knew that Our Lady was talking about her friends in Belgium. They had kept their childhood vows to become missionaries, but Adele did not know how she could fulfill her vow here in America.
What more can I do, dear lady?
Teach the children. Gather around you the neglected children in the wild country, running idle about the woods, and teach them what they should know for salvation.
Gladly I would gather them in, but how shall I teach them? I, who know so little myself.
I do not mean the science of the world. Teach them their catechism, that they should know and love my son. Otherwise, the people here will lose their faith. Teach them how to sign themselves with the sign of the cross, and how to approach the sacraments. This is what I wish you to do.
With God's grace and the help of your intercession, I promise, dear lady, to be faithful to what you bid me.
Go and fear nothing. I will help you.